Today we're going to talk about the nervous system, specifically the way our bodies and brains react to the situations and events around us. I call these reactions the primary gears of the nervous system. Unlike the movement of our muscles and joints, we don't get to choose these responses. They happen without our consent, and many times without our awareness. Let's take a closer look at the gears that run our bodies and brains. The first gear we're going to look at is anxiety. We're all familiar with worried, worst-case scenario thoughts, but anxiety also happens in our bodies. We feel a sense of urgency, agitation, like we want to run away. There's often tension in our chest, neck, shoulders. We may notice our heart beating louder and faster, and sometimes our hands and feet twitch. Each person has their own specific pattern of symptoms, but when you see these kinds of body reactions showing up, you know you're in the anxiety gear. Your body is full of adrenaline and cortisol, the stress hormone. The second gear we're going to look at is similar because it's also dominated by adrenaline and cortisol. This is anger. When we're angry, we feel like we can't take anymore and have to protect ourselves in a strong, determined way. In the early stages, we may feel frustrated and have the sense that pressure is building up inside of us. When we're angry, we have a strong desire to protect ourselves and to fight off danger, either verbally or physically. Our hands may make gestures of stop right there, or fists. Our faces may get flushed, and our jaws tighten. If you've ever found yourself grinding your teeth, you're likely feeling anger in your body at that time. I'd like to take a moment here and talk about the difference between rage and anger. We see a lot of rage in our culture, on our movie screens, on TV, and sometimes in real life. Rage is anger that's been mislearned and has gotten out of control. It's not the same as anger, which is powerful and protective. I'm going to ask you to imagine a dog on guard on the back porch of a home. Someone is coming down the street, and the dog goes on alert in case he needs to protect his territory. If the person puts a hand on the gate, the dog moves into protective anger. The fur on the nape of his neck goes up, and his ears perk. If the person attempts to enter the backyard, the dog launches into action, growling, barking, moving towards the person. That's anger. The message is, don't mess with me. But if the dog leaps over the fence and bites the person, that's rage. Anger respects boundaries. Rage does not. Those of us who've seen a lot of rage can be afraid of anger, our own and other people's. But it's a healthy gear. It's there to protect us. The third gear, harder to notice than either anger or anxiety, is shutdown. This is the state our nervous system moves into when we've run out of energy. When we've spent too long in anger or anxiety, both of which use up a lot of resources, then our nervous system shifts into the shutdown gear in order to conserve energy and keep us alive. What's it like to be in shutdown? It's hard to feel your body. Your mind moves slowly, and it's hard to concentrate or remember things. You feel tired, even if there's no particular reason. Your emotions may feel numbed. In this gear, you feel overwhelmed by the regular demands of life. It's hard to get out of bed, have a shower, and go for a walk. You just don't have the energy. All non-essential systems have been turned off. Your body is telling you to rest. It's trying to protect you, to allow you to recharge. Think of a cell phone. When the battery symbol turns red and you know you have to plug it in, that's the same as shutdown in the body. The final gear is called rest and digest. This is the state where we feel comfortable, relaxed, and safe. Our body takes this opportunity to catch up on regular maintenance tasks which keep us healthy. Things like repairing cell damage, making sure that our digestive system and our immune responses are working effectively. In this state, our muscles feel relaxed and our mind is quiet. We might yawn or hear gurgles from our stomach, letting us know that we're ready to sleep or eat. Rest and digest sometimes happens when we're on our own, in a favorite place, or doing activities that we enjoy. It can also occur when we're with others, feeling sociable, safe, and connected. I'm guessing that all 4 of these gears sound familiar to you. Are there 1 or 2 that you can relate to in particular? Is there one that your body spends more time in? Tuning in to your body's signals on a regular basis will help you to recognize not only what's happening within you, but also what you need.